Never miss a measurement. With these adjustable teaspoon, you'll be able to get your exact measurements every time. No more guessing what an eighth is. You'll have it right there in front of you. Incremental markers. The teaspoon measures increments of 1/8 of a teaspoon up to 1 full teaspoon or 5 milliliters. Convenient sliding stick. These come with a simple sliding cover to desired measurement, and cover will click into place so you know exactly when you're at the right place. Not to mention, its angled edge makes precise leveling easy. Classic design. This measuring spoon is made of sturdy zinc alloy and plastic and features a beautiful satin finish, sure to complement any kitchen environment. Measurements. This item weighs 0.353 ounces and has dimensions of 0.5 x 1 by 6 inches. Are your kitchen drawers being taken over by different sizes of measuring spoons? Declutter and free up storage with the Pro Adjuste teaspoon. This measuring spoon conveniently adjusts to measurements of 1/8 of a teaspoon up to 1 full teaspoon, so you don't have to do as much searching for the one you need. Constructed of zinc alloy and plastic, this unique measuring tool features an award-winning design with patented features and comes in a beautiful champagne satin finish. Stop juggling multiple sizes of measuring utensils and witness the space-saving functionality of this useful, yet elegant tool. Top reviews from the United States. Very handy. I recently started baking a bread recipe every week that calls for 1 3/4 teaspoons of salt, and after several occasions of measuring out those 1/4 of a teaspoon bits of salt to add up to 3/4 of a teaspoon, I decided that someone must surely have made a 3/4 of a teaspoon measuring spoon. Well, they haven't, but they have made the next best thing, an adjustable measuring spoon. I found this spoon, and in spite of some of the reviews saying it's hard to adjust, I bought it. And it works perfectly. I don't have a bit of trouble sliding the adjustment up and down, and I do not have very strong fingers. I also find it easy to clean, but then I am only using it to measure dry ingredients and they are easily wiped off the spoon surface.